Welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with your Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. So first of all, you have to turn on your Bluetooth device, so hold down the power button. Then you're gonna have to somehow put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. I cannot tell you exactly how to do that. In my case I have to click the power button twice, but the result should be the LED light starting to blink on your Bluetooth device, and this will show you that your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. Now, to pair with your device, you have to open the control center by clicking these three icons on your taskbar. Then click the arrow icon next to Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled and click on your Bluetooth device to connect to it. If you want to disconnect from it, you have to re-enter the Bluetooth menu, so go back, then go back to Bluetooth, then click your Bluetooth device and click disconnect. And if you want to unpair, you have to go to more Bluetooth settings, click the three dot icon in the top right corner of your Bluetooth device and select remove device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.